Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up data upload from Formstack Forms to Google Sheets. This is necessary in order to automatically transfer new data from Formstack Forms to other systems. For example, in Google Sheets, create new rows. Each time new data is received from Formstack Forms, it is convenient to store, process and interact with them in every possible way in the future. Now let's move on to the setup. First, you need to create a new connection. Choose Formstack Forms as the data source system. Next, you need to select the action Get Data. At this stage, you need to connect your Formstack Forms account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window, you can give it a name or just click Continue. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it and click Continue. Next, we see the URL for receiving data. It is to this link that new data will come from the Formstack Forms system. To continue setting up, copy it and go to your Formstack Forms personal account. Go to the form from which you want to receive data. Next, go to Settings and go to the Emails and Actions section. Open Advanced Setting. Click Add a webhook. Give your connection a name. Paste the copied link in the ApiX-Drive system into the appropriate field and click Create Webhook. Please note that after setting up, our system will not immediately have test data, because nothing has yet arrived at the new URL. Therefore, we need to generate data by firing an event, such as filling out a form. After the data is generated, we return to the ApiX-Drive system and continue the configuration. At this stage, you can set up a data filter. In this case, there is no need for this, so just click Continue. Next, we see the test data that we just generated. If there is no data at this stage, try the steps that were described earlier. If everything suits you, click Continue. This completes the configuration of the Formstack Forms data source successfully. Now you need to move on to setting up data reception. We choose Google Sheets as the data receiving system. Next, select the Add Row action. At this stage, you need to connect your Google Sheets account to the ApiX-Drive service. Enter your username and password. Give your permission to ApiX-Drive to work with your account. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it and click Continue. Next, you need to select the file and sheet to which data will be transferred from the Formstack Forms. If you previously named your columns, they will sync into parentheses next to each one. Next, you need to fill the fields with variables from Formstack Forms. In order to assign a variable, click on the field to which you need to transfer data and select the required variable from the drop-down list. Please note that you can not only add variables, but also enter values manually. When all the necessary data is assigned, click Edit and Continue. At this stage, we see the test data that will be sent to Google Sheets. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Google Sheets. Go to your personal Google Sheets account and check the result. If everything suits you, we return to the ApiX-Drive service and continue setting up. On this, the data reception setup has been successfully completed. Now you need to enable auto-update. Select the communication interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.